Hi guys, today we are going to start trigonometry identities and equations part 2. You have seen my part 1 video. Now here we are dealing with multiple angle. If you see here, it is with theta. You can see here 3 theta. Okay, so but here is theta. So first of all, if you see here 3 theta is, so let's make 3 theta here. So what we need to do, if we times by 3 here, so 3 times 0 is 0 and it will be 3 theta, and if you multiply 360 times 3, so it will be 1080 degree. Yeah, 1080 degree. Now so let's solve, and we are going to use this formula. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So in this place, sine 90 minus 3 theta, we can write down cos 3 theta. Okay, so once we write down, so equation we are getting, it is 4 cos 3 theta, and here we have written cos 3 theta, and that is equal to 2. Okay, so 4 cos theta 3 theta minus cos 3 theta, it will be 3 cos 3 theta. So let's write down 3 cos 3 theta, that is equal to 2, and we have got cos 3 theta equal to 2 over 3. Yeah, now we are going to assume this 3 theta as a x. So let capital X is 3 theta. So this equation is going to be reduced like this. Cos of x is 2 over 3, and once we calculate x is equal to cos inverse 2 over 3, so that is, let's write down cos inverse 2 over 3. So pick up your calculator, press shift button and type cos inverse 2 over 3. We get 48.189. So we get 48.189. So let's write down 48.189. So let's round it off and we can write down it's 48.19. So capital X is 48.19. Now after this we are going to start same thing. Here cos 3 theta is positive, it is positive, so we need to see where cos theta is positive. So let's write down add, that is sugar to coffee. You can use cost diagram as well. So cos is positive in this section, that is first quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Here cos is positive. Angle made with x-axis, that is 48.19, and this is also 48.19. Okay, so first angle, so let's write down here. So capital X equal to first angle, we are getting this angle. You can see this black angle with arrow, that is 48.19. So let's write down here 48.19. Now you take whole round. Okay, let's change the color. So you can see this green color. So whole round. So until here. So this will be 360 minus 48.19. So it will give you 311.81. So it is giving you 311.81. That is green angle. Now another angle, because we need to go up, we need to go until 1080. Yeah? So now one full round is 360, so let's take this blue angle. So one full round is 360. 360 plus 48.9, that is 408.19. So let's write down here 408.19. Okay, then you take another angle. Let's take this black angle. Whole angle is 360. 360 plus 48.19, and if you take full round, so it will be here 720. 720 minus 48.19, it will be 671.81. So that is 671.81, and the last two angle will be 768.19, and another angle will be 1031.81. Okay, so 1031.81. So first round is 360, second round is 720. 720 plus 48.9 is 768.9. Then you take one more round and you will get last value 1031.81. Okay, now X is started shouting, I am 3 theta. Okay, let's listen what X is saying. X is saying I am 3 theta. It means all these values are 3 theta. So what will be theta? Theta will be, you need to divide this value 48.19 by 3. Okay, let's write down. It will be 48.19 divide by 3, 311.81 divide by 3, and 408.19 divide by 3, 671.81 divide by 3, 768.19 divide by 3, 1031.81 divide by 3. So once we divide it, we get it theta. So we are getting theta. Theta equal to 48.19 divide by 3, right? So let me divide and let's see what it is coming. So it is 48 divided by 3, that is 16.06. So let's write down here, it is 16.06. Okay, and next value will be 103.93, and next value will be 136.06. 671.81 divide 223.93, 223.93, this is point here, and 768.19 divide 256.06, and the last value will be 343.93. Yeah, so you can always leave your answer in significant form. So significant form, this value you can write down, this one, 16.06, you can write down 16.1. So this is 16.1. If you want, you can write down this one, you can write down 104, and this will be 136 up to 3 significant figure 136, and this will be 224 and 256. This will be 3 significant figure 256, and the last value will be 344. Okay, that's it. So this is what you need to do, and this will be nearly 5 marks question for your exam. Let's see another question here. So another question is, okay, so here it is cosec 2 theta is equal to 4, and theta is running between minus 180 to 180 plus 180. Now if you see here theta is not alone, again 2 theta, it is multiple of 2. Yeah, so let's times by 2 here. If you times by 2, so it will be minus 360 degree. If it is multiplied by 2 here, so it will be 2 theta and it will be 360 degree. So instead of 2, if it is 4, then we'll multiply by 4. If it is 5, then we'll multiply by 5. If it is 1 by 2, then we'll multiply by 1 by 2 here. So we have made 2 theta. So let's write down, let 2 theta equal to x here. So we have got cosec x is 4, and if you do reciprocal both side, like because cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta, so so it will be sine x. If you do reciprocal both side, sine x will be 1 over 4, and this gives you x is equal to sine inverse 1 over 4, and pick up your calculator. If you put sine inverse 1 over 4, it comes 14.47, 14.47, uh, uh, 14.477, and which you can round it off 14.48. Yeah, 14.48. Let's done. So we are going to plot it now. Let's plot it. We are going to plot now. So it is 14.48. So remember, I have mentioned acute angle made with x-axis, and here again sine is positive. You can see here it is positive. So where sine is positive? Sine is positive here, and sine is positive here. Yeah, let's write down, it is 14.48, and this is also 14.48, right? So now, so capital X equal to, if you see, first angle will be this angle, that 14.48. So let's write down here 14.48, and the next angle will be 180 take away 180 take away 14.48, so it will be 165.52. Yeah, 165.52. So this is, we have moved from theta to 180 degree. Yeah. Now we need to move theta to minus 180 degree. So let's go down this side. So if we are going down here, so from here till here, let's go this way. So if you go this side, so it will be 180 plus 14.48. That will be minus, let me put it, minus 194.48. Okay. And next value will be, you take all the way around from here and 360 take away 14.48. So you are going clockwise from here till here. So 364 take away 14.48 and it will give you minus 345.52. So minus 345.52. So this is what, now x again started shouting I am 2 theta. So we need to divide all these value by 2. So theta 14.48, this also divide by 2, this is also divide by 2, this is also divide by 2, and this is also divide by 2. So once you divide it, so theta you get here, theta 14.48 divide by 2, it is 7.24. It is 7.24. 165.52 divide 82.76. So this is 82.76. 194.48 divides to minus 97.24. This is minus 97.24, and minus 345.52, if you divide by 2, it will be minus 172. 0.76. Yeah, so you can round it off, it will be minus 172.8, and this will be minus 97.2 up to three significant figure, and this will be 7.24 and 82.76. So this will be 82.7. Yeah, so this is your theta value. So this is your answer, right? So now last question I'm going to show you quickly. Here you go. Okay guys, if you see here, cosec half theta is equal to 2 root 3 over 3. If you do reciprocal both side, because sine theta is 1 upon cos theta, so you will get sine theta over 2, that is 3 over 2 root 3. And here important thing is, it is given in radian. Yeah, so set your calculator on radian mode. So sine x is 3 over 2 root 3. Once you calculate x, you get pi over 3. So here sine is again positive. Sine is positive, so sine is positive here in first and second quadrant. So your first angle will be this angle, that is from here till here. So let's write down capital X is pi over 3. Next angle will be from here till here, so pi minus pi over 3, that is 2 pi over 3. Okay, and here because x is theta by 2, so if you times by 1 by 2 here, so this will be 0 and it will be theta by 2, and times by 2, so it will be pi. Yeah, so we are taking these two values. Okay, so that's why I have taken here pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Now x is theta by 2, so theta by 2 is pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. If you times by 2 both side, so it will be 2 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. Yeah, that's your answer. Yeah, so this is the way you can solve, and please watch my next video. Till then, goodbye, thank you, and thanks for watching.